Hi, I'm Ann with Kai Dragon Gardening and Cooking channel on YouTube. And I got another great tip here for you, how to repair a plant using household items. And it really does work. I've done it several times. So without further ado, I'm going to switch the camera over because I'm going to save one of my broken plants. So my poor little spider flower plant here, as you can see, someone landed on it and they broke my little plant, but I'm going to fix it using a household item. It's a spice. Okay, I have put some cinnamon on this little plant. And now I'm going to bring the plant up so the two pieces meet. And this might be a little more difficult to video than I think because of the fact that I have some wire and stuff here to hold my plant up. But I'm going to do the best I can. Hopefully you can see what's going on here. So when I have brought a Band-Aid out, I'm going to put the Band-Aid around the plant. And then I'm going to attach some straws to it. So I'm going to shut this off for 1 second and then I will come back and let you see what I'm doing. Okay, so now I've attached a Band-Aid around where it was broken. Next, I have a straw and I have slid it down the middle. And I'm going to put the straw around this plant. And then I'll put another one around it to help seal it. And the plant should repair itself. As you can see now with the Band-Aid, it's staying by itself. But what the straw is going to do is help hold it into place a little better. Anyway, the cinnamon will help to repair the plant. Cinnamon is just a great thing to use in the garden. You can detour pests. Most of your critters don't like cinnamon. And so if you use cinnamon in the garden, you can keep some of your other pests. Turmeric is also another thing that works really well when you have pests trying to dig in your garden. Especially like us, we have squirrels and they like the fresh dirt so they can hide the peanuts for winter. But just sprinkle a little turmeric or cinnamon around your plants and it'll help keep the little rascals away. Rabbits don't like cinnamon either. The smell apparently must hurt their nose. But anyway, that's my trip for the day. So hope you enjoyed it. Try it on your plants. If you have one that you're trying to save, sometimes it works really well, sometimes it don't. It's kind of a gamble, but it's worth the try because you never know. You might keep it from dying. Anyway, have a great day, stay blessed, and we appreciate you. Thanks for watching.